right here at Disney Springs, Morimoto Asia, meeting up Chef Hui, who's going to be doing a pre-chef meeting with all of the chefs participating in this year's Ramen Rumble. It's going to be a ramen event that's giving back to Give Kids the World. So let's go meet the other chefs. Let's see what the competition looks like.
Everyone, thank you very much for joining us for our first meeting for Ramen Rumble 5. You know, I got not the actual bean shotan, but I have the sumi, the Japanese charcoal. So you guys, you know, more than happy, you can just use that. Awesome. The other plating area that we did last year for the guys that did the skimming, the dipping style ramen, was the dim sum station over here.
The next day.
All right, day of Ramen Rumble. Got a little bit of an easy commute. Decided to take the family out to stay at one of the resorts. This is the Orleans for my daughter's birthday, which fell on Ramen Rumble. So, you know, got to mix a little bit of both, find a good balance. But gonna take the boat ride over to Disney Springs where Morimoto is. All right, finally made it. Wow, that boat ride was like 40-minute boat ride. But whatever, scenic route. Morimoto Asia. I'm gonna sneak into the back way. Hey! Did that make a lot? Too much?
I think it's fine.
All right, 10 a.m. I think we made too much. Peace out with it. We're the first ones here, right?
You're the first
This is
one
what we're here for. That's what I'm here for, man. He won it last year. You see that, Anthony? Every service I'm gonna wear it, Yuhi-san. Every dinner service. Who cares about the Michelin jacket, man? I want that. That's what I want. All right, chef.
What's
you
up?
see the menu.
I've seen it.
Who's got the win?
Oh man, I can't be biased. I can't be biased.
I put you on the spot.
Soseki
right
sounds good, but I don't know. Oxtail, you know, Caribbean background.
Yeah. I mean, Chef Hung is cheating. He's got some black truffles.
Oh, I mean, we had Wagyu and scallops last
You
year.
had Wagyu and scallops, yeah, and you clenched it last year.
Crushed it last year, yes.
Duck stock. This is gonna go a little bit longer. This is over 24 hours. It's gonna go a little bit longer. Last bit is gonna be high boil, and then we'll taste it. All right. So we took all of the meat. This was veal knuckles, bones, oxtail, ribs. Right now we're separating, and we're gonna take all the meat. We're gonna press it and make little croquettes. So we got Josh in his chef coat.
Scrub it in.
Scrub it in. We got the subs in. We're on the final push of the oxtail broth, letting the fat emulsify with this. All of the oxtail fat. We're gonna make a little chili peanut garlic. So we got garlic, peanuts we're gonna roast off, and gochujang. Not gochujang, gochugaru.
Should somebody start doing croquettes while somebody else starts?
No, we're gonna have to literally do it all and then press them at the same time. But it'll be fast. We just get the whole line going. We're good. All right. This is gonna be the chili garlic peanuts. We take all of the oxtail fat. And I'm gonna toast these peanuts in here, infuse it, add the garlic, and then the chili oil to make the chili oil with the Korean chili flakes. I want to make sure that garlic crisp up, nice and easy. This is chili flakes. It's gonna bring a lot of heat, but this is gonna bring a lot of spice to it. I already turned it off. So it took a little longer to infuse or to fry because this is oxtail fat. You know, it's gonna have a lower temperature. So we're gonna let this infuse all of that chili. But you can see that the garlic started to toast up. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for having us. Chef Mike will go through the service of what the ingredients are. Please let them know what we're doing.
All right, so we're doing a southern style ramen. So we're gonna have smoked pork belly, pickled mustard greens, marinated quail egg, some spiced peanuts, and then oxtail croquettes.
This is over, I don't know, like 32 hours, 32-hour broth of oxtail, and then after we took all those bone marrow and the oxtail, we picked all the meat off, made it into croquettes and fried it to have like nice texture to it. So the inspiration, this is very southern, right? We have like the peanuts, you know, roasted smoked peanuts, the pickled mustard greens, we have the pork belly, and then the oxtail. So we really want to showcase this is really ramen, but this is really Florida ramen.
First, from Good Salt Restaurant Group at the Osprey is Chef Michael Cooper. Let's hear it for Chef Cooper. All right, and next will be Chef Hongwin and Ray Gillette from Doshi. All right, and give it up for Chef Michael Collantes from Soseki. Street Fair. And last but certainly not least, Chef Tung from Camille. Alright. And thank you all very much. And I guess you guys are pretty busy now, so chefs, your time starts now.
And the winner is Chef Michael Cooper from the Osprey.
We're good though.
Good. It was a good night for a good cause. If we win, we win. If we don't,
Keep pushing. Keep getting better. That's it.
yeah.
So.
It's fun. Let's eat.